guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna share that, but basically I'm not gonna share, I'm just gonna documentate all my stuff, yeah. So basically what I'm doing, yeah, I just documenting for the future, yeah, because what I do really like and why I found myself very valuable to respect all the rules, yeah, is I'm making a video, yeah, because to track all your trades, yeah, that's important, that's very important, yeah. But sometimes I'm doing some stupid shit and I can't track that. But basically I'm always trying to make a video after that I took the trade and see what I done wrong. But then you keep watching the same video and you're realizing the reason why you enter maybe is something wrong, because right now I'm right from the trade. I literally closed the trade a couple of seconds ago. So what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna pause this video, yeah, and I don't know, a week after 2 weeks, or maybe in the weekend, yeah, I'm gonna scroll and I'm gonna watch this video again and I'm gonna see what I done wrong, what I could do better, and what should I change or fix on my thing. Not a strategy, but literally like everything. So let's jump right into the video, guys. I'm gonna take the, how is it called? Let's see real quick. I'm gonna put myself right here so everybody can see. So basically this is very simple concept. I'm trading the break and retest, yeah. So basically I'm giving my chance to trade like two trades a day. If I don't have enough time, then I'm gonna trade one big trade a day, so 1% is one of those. So basically yesterday, yeah, my plan initially was to take let me take that. My initial plan, it was like to get from this place and then to get bottom to the bottom side, either from here to get to this point and then to get to this place. So basically the reason why I'm saying is, to be honest, I do really trade one-to-one. I don't need more than that, but I do really like to manage my position, yeah. So what I did actually, yeah, that it was my first trade. Let me grab actually the, how is it called, my my FTMO account, yeah. So basically what I did, basically I took the trades, but let me just better grab my matrix so everybody can see. Let me just close that. Yeah, so how you see, guys, I still go like a lot of times to, I go like repeat it a lot of times, but this time I still trying to trade like more free trials, so we will see how it's gonna work out, yeah. So basically today's trade, yeah, is very simple. Let me make real quick the thing, yeah, on that, and then we'll see how it's gonna work, yeah. So basically I open here a trade instantly, yeah, instantly. I didn't even hesitate, yeah, I opened instantly, yeah, and I put my stop loss right here and the take profit right here is 1-to-1, yeah. So basically from here I'm gonna start how is it called, I started to control my risk, yeah, that's what I like to do. So I enter here instantly just due to the fact that I saw this this small rejection, yeah. It gets here to this point, it start kind of like rejecting, so I enter here a trade, yeah. I put it like 1-to-1, something like that. So basically what happened here, it moved up, yeah, it moved up, and I was seeing the candles was getting smaller and smaller, and I was hoping that it's gonna come back to the point. So when I get to this major high, yeah, I was saying like if it's gonna break this high, then I most likely is gonna close the half of the position, yeah. That's what I did. I closed here like literally the half of the position, where you can see right now. Let me just go to the downside here. I closed like half of the initial risk, yeah. So what happened next, yeah, it was keep going down, keep going up, and then it was moving down, yeah. And then from here I said, man, if it's gonna get back to this place, I'm just gonna close the position, yeah. And then it was getting back, and then this was kind of the news This was the news. So when I was seeing this news, yeah, it popped up. I was thinking it's gonna go to the downside, but unfortunately it wasn't the case. So it was going like crazy to the upside. So I'm like, let me just close another half of the position, and I close another half of the position, which is gonna be, let me just grab, which is gonna be this $196 of loss, yeah. And then it was keep going up, yeah, and here I had another limit, yeah, and here I had another limit. So what it did activate, but due to the fact that it was news, it pushed me up like a little bit higher, and my initial target it was here, and my stop loss it was somewhere above these highs, the daily highs, yeah. So what actually ended up happening, yeah, it was just literally reversed and went straight to my profit. It's very beautiful trade, yeah. And let's check the stats, guys, yeah. I had two one-to-one trades, yeah, but let's look at the stats. Let's look at the stats, yeah. So basically I had minus 263, 196 and 263, yeah. I'm risking like two trades by 0.5, so like $1,000 per trade, yeah. So what actually I did here, yeah, I managed to get the second one a winner, so I'm right back in the profit, yeah. So think logically, guys, think logically, yeah. I'm up like $500, which is 0.25, but anyway, it is what it is. But look at what beautiful the statistics are. My average risk to reward ratio is actually 5R, and the win rate is 25. So works pretty awesome, because my average loss is going to be 245, yeah, but my average winning is going to be, let's say not 12, but it's going to be 1,000. But if you take 1,000 and 2.45, mathematically that's going to be like 1.4R. But 1.4R, the reason why I'm saying that is my previous FTMO challenge, yeah. Look at the stats. This one, I was in profit, yeah, but look, crazy drawdown and then smack to the down or to the upside. But the problem here is another one, yeah. Look at this average risk to reward, yeah, is 3.18R, and the win rate is only 26, and I'm still profitable. So think logically on the mathematical side, yeah. You just need like 1.1 to 3 risk to reward, yeah, and you need only a 26 win rate. And you are profitable. I'm telling you, you are profitable. Big time, you are profitable. With 26% of the rate, that means out of 100 trades, sorry, you must win 26 trades, and you are profitable. Maybe even 25 trades, I would say. And you're still gonna be profitable with 3.18R. So that's awesome. I don't know how you can see, but I'm seeing that awesome. So anyway, guys, what I'm gonna say, I don't want to take too long. Today's day has been profitable. I'm glad, and see you guys in the next video, because don't forget, I'm gonna, how is it called, I'm gonna document all the trades right here on YouTube. So I don't really care if you're gonna subscribe or not, but anyway, if you do like, you can subscribe, like, so other people can see it. I'm very transparent. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a very successful trader, but I'm trying to get to the point where I'm gonna be successful, and I know that I'm gonna be successful. It's just a matter of time. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.